Here is the bike computer. This is the wireless one. I'm going to show you how to program it and how to use it. So first thing is, let me just go ahead and take this off. Okay, so I just reset it. So you should start off with a circumference number here, but if you're already past this, what you can do is just reset it. Just press and hold both buttons here. Press and hold. Just keep holding here, both buttons. There we go, okay? So first thing is you need to find the circumference of your wheel, okay? You can look on your tire. Like if I look on my tire, I can see on my tire it reads 700 times 28 mm. So I know my circumference is 2136. So for me, I'm gonna put in 2136. So 2136. So I'm gonna go 2136 and I'm gonna press this one here, 2130. So I'm gonna go to 3. Oops, I messed up. Go back to, oops, 3, and then 1, and then 2136. Let me press the left button to confirm. Yep, 21, okay. I'm gonna press the left button here. Now, do you want kilometers or do you want miles, okay? I want miles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and press on the left button here. Now this will alert you of like a scheduled maintenance. You can do 200 hours, 400, 600, all the way to 800 is the max, okay? I don't care about this. I'll just leave it on 800 miles. That's perfectly fine. So the next thing is we're gonna go ahead and change the time. Just click the right button. Just keep clicking until you see like a time on there. Go ahead and keep clicking here. Okay, I see a little clock there. I see the A for AM. So it says 4:10 AM. Let me go ahead and set the time to 8:17. We'll do 8:18 PM. So first thing is press and hold the left button. Press and hold. Just wait. And then we have a choice of 12-hour or 24-hour. I'm going to go with the 12-hour and I'm going to select it. I'm going to go ahead and press the right button here. Now we're going to go ahead and change the time. So again, I'm going to go ahead and change the time to 8:17. We'll do 8:18. Left button here. 8. But I have to go PM because it's PM here. So 8 right there. Press the right button and then we're going to go to 18 right there. So everything is programmed. And now let's say that you're going to take a test drive and you can see the miles per hour. Of course, you can go ahead and stroll through this. You can see your average speed, your total distance, your odometer, and whatnot. Okay, now the thing is, as when you go ahead and like, let's say you're riding your bike and you take a coffee break, if you wait like 5 minutes with no motion, what's going to happen is this going to show the time here. And then once you're done your coffee break, if you want to resume, you just have to tap on the left button here like that, and then you'll see the miles per hour up here. Now, after you're done the ride and the next morning you want to go for another ride, to reset it, what you want to do is just press and hold this, okay? If you press and hold this, just keep holding and it's automatically going to reset. See, it resets now, and now you can go ahead and start riding to start everything back over. It'll reset everything back to 0, like your time, your average speed, your max speed and all that, but it's not going to erase your odometer since you started using this, unless of course you did a total master reset or you pop the battery out and put it back in. So just remember, every time you're about to go for like a new ride, just press and hold this, make sure everything's at 0, and then you're ready to rock and roll. All right? Pretty simple.